behavior and whatnot. And I thought it was really interesting. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, Moch. Didn't mean to scare you. Respond to messages on both those platforms, done. Excuse me. Respond to business emails, did that. Exercise, did that. And I read this morning as well. Hey, wait, what the heck is this? Oh, thank you for the $3 dono, Einstein. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I cannot stop sneezing. Good little boy. Good job, Mochi. I'm very proud of you. Excuse me. Oof. Okay, double time's over. Woo! You guys actually got a minute and 10 seconds. Oh! Excuse me. Please, they're not like a maniac. They're not being like... Oh my god, guys, there has to be a fuzz in my nose. I keep sneezing. And my nose keeps tickling. It's like there's something in there tickling me. I don't know.